Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to bring live data or external content into your WordPress site, like weather updates, stock prices, quotes, or anything custom, then API integration is your best friend. In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect any REST API to WordPress step by step, even if you are not a developer. Before we dive in real quick, what's an API? An API or application programming interface allows apps to two apps to talk to each other. For example, if you want your site to display live weather from a weather app, that app gives you an API to fetch the latest weather data. To follow along, here's what you will need: a WordPress website, a REST API to connect to a plugin called WP code or code snippets, and optionally Postman for testing APIs before using them. Let's pick a simple free API. I will use the quotable API, which gives random quotes. Just visit https api dot quotes quotable dot io and random. Or only quotable API or search for quote API. You will see a JSON response like this. This is the data we want to show on our WordPress site. Now let's fetch that data using WordPress. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then plugin, search for WP code, add snippet, select PHP snippet and paste this code. Now hit save and activate. This function creates a shortcode called random quote that you can place anywhere. Let's test it out. Go to any post or page and paste this shortcode random quote. Now preview the page and boom, it pulls a fresh quote from the API every time the page loads. Want to style it? Just add some CSS, for example. Add that under appearance, customize, then additional CSS. So What's how you connect any API to your WordPress site using just a few lines of code. You can use this method for whether crypto prices, E2 stats, anything with a REST API. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment with your API ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more no code, low code tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy coding.